Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, we will learn how to calculate a waterproofing schedule using a simple step-by-step method. This method is very useful for site engineers, contractors, quantity surveyors, students, and anyone involved in construction projects. First, let us understand what a waterproofing schedule is. A waterproofing schedule is a detailed list of waterproofing items showing the waterproofing type, area or location, product or material, coverage rate, quantity, unit cost, and total cost. Preparing a waterproofing schedule helps us estimate materials accurately, reduce wastage, control project costs, improve planning, and manage waterproofing works efficiently. Now, let us look at the main components of a waterproofing schedule. These include waterproofing type, area or location, product or material, coverage rate, quantity, unit cost, and total cost. These components help us prepare an accurate material and cost estimate for waterproofing works. Next, let us understand the common types of waterproofing used in construction. The first type is cementitious waterproofing. It is commonly used for roofs, water tanks, bathrooms, and basements. The second type is acrylic waterproofing. It is suitable for roofs, walls, balconies, and bathrooms. The third type is bituminous waterproofing. It is widely used for foundations, basements, podium slabs, and retaining walls. The fourth type is polyurethane waterproofing, also known as PU waterproofing. It is mainly used for terraces, exposed roofs, and weather-exposed areas. Now, let us look at some commonly used waterproofing products. These include waterproofing coatings, cementitious mortars, bituminous coatings, waterproofing membranes, and PU sealants. Next, let us learn the basic formulas used in a waterproofing schedule. The first formula is the quantity formula. Quantity equals area multiplied by coverage rate. Next is the total cost formula. Total cost equals quantity multiplied by unit rate. Similarly, calculate the quantity and cost for all waterproofing locations such as bathrooms, basements, water tanks, balconies, and roofs. Finally, add the cost of all waterproofing items to obtain the total waterproofing cost of the project. For more civil engineering knowledge and free civil calculators, visit www.civilconcept.com. Thank you for watching.